Good evening, welcome back with me, Francesca, in the Daily News, talking about the latest news about coronavirus emergency. The Ugandan Tourism Board has issued the new travel guidelines for those traveling from the country affected by the virus, including China, South Korea, Japan, Italy, and Iran. Well, it's a disease a bit like flu. It spread from China rapidly around the world. People can have it for about 2 weeks before symptoms appear, passes from person to person through the air, often through coughs and sneezes. So, what is coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID-19 and how it started? COVID-19 first case reported in Wuhan, China on 31st December 2019. The outbreak was then declared as a public health emergency of international concern. 1 month later, on 30th January 2020, by the World Health Organization. COVID-19 is the large family of coronaviruses that cause illness ranging from the common cold to the more serious disease such as MERS, the Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, and SARS, the Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. What is the common signs of the infection? The common signs of infection include the following symptoms: fever, cough, shortness of breath, and breathing difficulties. In more severe cases, infection can cause pneumonia, severe acute respiratory syndrome, kidney failure, and even death. How to prevent the infection? Standard recommendations to prevent infection spread include regular hand washing, covering mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing, thoroughly cooking meat and eggs, avoid close contact with anyone showing symptoms of respiratory illness such as coughing and sneezing. Now, let's find out how the people in Kampala, Uganda knows about the COVID-19 and how prepared are they. Let's connect with our reporter on spot in Kampala, Uganda. Thank you, Francesca. And now my name is Christia and I'm going to be interviewing some people to see if they know how to prevent the virus and how they keep safe. Hello, excuse me, where do you come from?
From market.
What's your name?
I'm Sharon.
And you?
My name is Bernard.
You?
Isabella.
And you know about the coronavirus. How are you keeping yourself safe and your family safe from the virus?
We always wash our hands with the soap and water, or if you don't have both of them, we use alcohol.
Okay. You know how to wash your hands properly?
Yeah.
Oh wait. Okay, so
Like this. Then you wash back once. Then after that you use the water or alcohol to clean it properly.
okay, thank you. Now I'm going to try find another person to ask them about coronavirus. Hello, excuse me. What's your name?
I'm called Super Joseph.
And where are you going?
I'm going for work.
So you know about the coronavirus?
Yes, I've heard it from news.
Do you know like any ways to prevent it or like anything?
I heard some people are saying that if you want to prevent, you have to wash your hands before doing anything.
Okay, like what are the things you have to do before you wash your hands?
Before eating, you have to wash your hands. Before touching anything, you have to wash your hands.
Okay. Okay, now that's the end of interviewing people. Now we're gonna get back to Francesca in the studio. Thank you, Christy, for the live report. To date, a total of 86 countries have reported COVID-19 cases. Total people infected rise to more than 100,000, with the highest number coming from China, followed by South Korea, Italy, and Iran. The death toll has reached 3,300. Outside China, the COVID COVID-19 cases have widely spread. You can see from the chart of the top 5 countries reported outside China. South Korea reported nearly 6,000 cases, while more than 3,000 cases in Italy and in Iran. Then Germany and Japan at the 4th and 5th place. While the outbreak and global fear continue, Uganda has not reported any cases. The people in Uganda seems not so much affected. The activities continue. Children continue going to school and the business running normally. However, people in Uganda are in high alert and they know the basic prevention, such as washing hands and keep hygiene. This is the breaking news. Thank you for watching, and for more information and the latest developments, please follow our news at dailynews.co.id. Stay safe, stay alert, and protect yourself and your family.